Universal life insurance is a flexible type of permanent life insurance that combines lifelong coverage with a cash value component. Unlike traditional policies, it allows policyholders to adjust their premiums and death benefits over time, making it a versatile tool for long-term financial planning. The cash value grows tax-deferred and can be accessed for various financial needs, such as supplementing retirement income or covering unexpected expenses. Choosing the right provider is crucial, as features, costs, and investment options can vary significantly between companies. A reputable insurer ensures financial stability, reliable customer service, and policy options that align with your personal goals and circumstances. By carefully selecting a universal life insurance provider, individuals can secure both protection for loved ones and a valuable financial asset for the future. When evaluating the leading universal life insurance companies, several key criteria are considered to ensure quality and reliability. Financial strength is paramount, as it reflects a provider's ability to meet its long-term obligations and pay claims. Customer satisfaction is also crucial, indicating how well companies serve policyholders and handle inquiries or concerns. Policy flexibility is assessed by examining the range of options available, such as adjustable premiums and customizable coverage terms. Additionally, the potential for cash value growth is analyzed, focusing on how policies accumulate savings over time and support investment goals. Together, these factors help identify insurers that offer robust, adaptable, and trustworthy universal life insurance solutions. North American Company for Life and Health stands out as the leading provider of universal life insurance. This company is highly regarded for its flexible premium options, allowing policyholders to adjust payments according to their financial situation. In addition, North American offers a robust cash value component, which can be an important asset for long-term financial planning. The combination of adaptability and strong cash value growth makes their policies suitable for a wide range of individuals. With a reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction, North American continues to set the standard in universal life insurance offerings. North American Company for Life and Health stands out for its universal life insurance policies, which are designed to support long-term financial planning. These policies offer flexible premium payments, allowing policyholders to adjust contributions as their financial circumstances change. A key feature is the cash value component, which grows over time and can be accessed for future needs such as retirement or emergencies. The company's strong financial stability ensures reliable coverage and peace of mind for policyholders. Additionally, North American's universal life insurance provides options for customizing coverage, making it suitable for individuals seeking to align their insurance with evolving life goals. Overall, these features make North American a top choice for those looking to build lasting financial security. Protective Life Insurance Company stands out for its affordability and competitive pricing in the universal life insurance market. The company offers a diverse selection of policy options, catering to a variety of financial needs and preferences. Among these choices is indexed universal life insurance, which allows policyholders to benefit from potential market-linked growth while maintaining flexible coverage. Protective Life's commitment to cost-effective solutions makes it an attractive choice for individuals seeking comprehensive protection without overspending. Their policies are designed to balance long-term value with accessible premiums, helping customers plan for their financial future with confidence. Protective Life Insurance Company stands out for its commitment to affordability without sacrificing comprehensive coverage. The company offers a variety of universal life insurance policies, including indexed options, allowing customers to select plans that best fit their financial circumstances. Flexible premium structures enable policyholders to adjust payments according to their budget, making coverage accessible to a wider range of individuals. Protective Life's policies are designed to maintain robust benefits, ensuring that essential protection remains in place even as costs are managed. Additionally, the company's strong financial ratings provide reassurance that claims will be honored and long-term commitments upheld. By combining competitive pricing with customizable features, Protective Life effectively addresses the diverse needs of its clients. Ethos stands out in the market for its innovative approach to indexed universal life insurance policies. The company is recognized for delivering strong investment performance, which can help policyholders achieve substantial cash value growth over time. By focusing on efficiency and modern solutions, Ethos is able to keep policy costs low without sacrificing quality or flexibility. Their indexed universal life products are designed to adapt to changing financial needs, making them a compelling choice for individuals seeking both protection and investment potential. With a commitment to transparency and customer satisfaction, Ethos continues to set a high standard in the life insurance industry. Ethos has distinguished itself in the universal life insurance market by emphasizing strong investment performance and innovative policy features. Their indexed universal life insurance policies are designed to help policyholders achieve better cash value growth while keeping costs low. By linking returns to market indices, Ethos offers the potential for higher earnings compared to traditional universal life products without exposing policyholders to direct stock market risk. Flexible premium payments and customizable coverage options allow individuals to tailor their policies to fit changing financial needs. Additionally, Ethos prioritizes transparency and user-friendly digital experiences, making it easier for customers to understand their benefits and manage their policies. Overall, Ethos's approach combines financial growth opportunities with practical policyholder advantages. Supporting long-term financial planning, Midland National Life Insurance Company stands out for its cost-effective universal life insurance policies. The company is known for offering affordable options that cater to a wide range of financial needs. With flexible coverage terms, policyholders can adjust their plans as their circumstances change, ensuring long-term suitability. Midland National's commitment to providing accessible and adaptable insurance solutions has earned it recognition among top providers. This flexibility makes it an appealing choice for individuals seeking both value and security in their life insurance coverage. Midland National Life Insurance Company stands out for offering affordable universal life insurance policies that cater to a wide range of financial needs. Their cost-effective options make it easier for individuals and families to secure long-term protection without straining their budgets. Midland National's policies are designed with flexibility in mind, allowing policyholders to adjust coverage terms and premium payments as their circumstances change. This adaptability is especially beneficial for those whose financial situations may fluctuate over time. By providing customizable solutions, Midland National empowers clients to tailor their insurance plans to align with evolving goals and priorities. The combination of affordability and flexibility makes Midland National a compelling choice for those seeking reliable and personalized universal life insurance coverage. Pacific Life Insurance Company stands out in the universal life insurance market for its remarkable flexibility and investment-linked growth opportunities. Their policies are highly customizable, allowing individuals to tailor coverage and benefits to suit their unique financial goals and personal circumstances. Pacific Life is particularly noted for strong cash value accumulation, which can provide policyholders with additional financial security over time. The company's diverse range of universal life insurance products enables clients to select options that best align with their long-term planning needs. With a reputation for financial strength and customer satisfaction, Pacific Life continues to be a preferred choice for those seeking adaptable and growth-oriented life insurance solutions. Pacific Life Insurance Company stands out for its extensive range of universal life insurance products designed to meet a wide spectrum of financial needs. The company offers customizable options, allowing policyholders to tailor coverage, premium payments, and investment strategies to suit their individual circumstances. This flexibility is particularly valuable for those seeking to balance protection with long-term cash value growth. Pacific Life's policies also feature investment-linked growth opportunities, enabling customers to potentially increase their policy's value over time. Whether planning for retirement, estate transfer, or simply seeking adaptable life insurance coverage, Pacific Life's diverse offerings provide solutions that can be adjusted as financial goals evolve. When comparing the 5 top-rated universal life insurance providers, each stands out for distinct strengths. North American Company for Life and Health is praised for its overall flexibility and robust cash value component, making it ideal for long-term planning. Protective Life Insurance Company offers some of the most affordable premiums, appealing to those seeking cost-effective coverage. Ethos specializes in indexed universal life policies, delivering innovative investment options and competitive cash value growth. Midland National Life Insurance Company is recognized for its budget-friendly policies and adaptable coverage terms. Pacific Life Insurance Company distinguishes itself with customizable products and strong investment-linked growth. However, potential drawbacks may include varying policy fees, differences in investment performance, and eligibility requirements. It's important to weigh these factors against individual financial goals and health needs before choosing a provider. Selecting the best universal life insurance company requires careful consideration of your personal circumstances. Begin by assessing your long-term financial objectives, such as retirement planning or leaving a legacy, to determine the type of policy features you need. Your health status can influence both eligibility and premium costs, so it's important to compare underwriting requirements across providers. Evaluate the flexibility of premium payments and coverage options, as these can impact your ability to adjust the policy over time. Additionally, review the company's reputation for customer service and financial strength to ensure reliability. Comparing cash value growth potential and investment options can help you find a policy that aligns with your financial goals. Ultimately, choosing a provider that matches your unique needs will help secure your financial future. Choosing the right universal life insurance provider is a crucial step in securing your financial future. The best companies stand out for their flexibility, affordability, and strong investment performance. But each individual's needs and goals are unique. It's important to carefully assess your personal circumstances, including health status and long-term financial objectives, before making a decision. By reviewing these factors, you can ensure that your chosen policy aligns with your requirements and provides lasting value. Thoughtful consideration now can lead to greater peace of mind and financial stability in the years ahead.